Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am your maths teacher and this is your maths book of class 6. Open your book. Today we will discuss the third topic of unit number 3, page number 32. Prime factorization. Prime factorization, here the two words are used, that is prime and factorization. From the prime you can easily know that here we will use prime number to factorize a number. Now what is the definition of the prime factorization? When a composite number is expressed as the product of prime factors, it is called the prime factorization of the number. Dear student, here the word composite use. You know that composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. So here we will factorize a composite number with the help of the product of prime factors. So it is called the prime factorization. We have another example, definition of prime factorization. Process of factorizing a number into prime factors is called the prime factorization. Dear students, we have two methods of prime factorization, that is the tree method and the repeated division method. First method is the tree method. Dear students, if we have given a question that is equals to 24, we know that 24 is a composite number. We will factorize it. We know that 24 is the product of 2 and 12. If we multiplied 2 by 12, we will get the answer that is equals to 24. Now look at these two numbers. We know that this 2 is a prime number. So we will not able to factorize it anymore. But we can factorize this 12. And we know that if we multiply 3 by 4, we will get the answer that is equals to 12. Now dear student, look at these numbers. This is a prime number. This 3 is also prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So we can factorize these 4 in another two prime numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. So more prime factorization is not possible here. So our answer is prime factors of 24 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and this is our answer. Our second method is repeated division method. Now for this method we will use the ladders for the prime factorization. So if we have a number, composite number 24, we will factorize it with the prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. We know that 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2 and 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Again we will take 2 because 12 is divisible by 2. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. Again 6 is divisible by the prime number, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. And 3 multiplied by 1 will give us the answer that is equals to 3. So these are the prime numbers. So the answer is prime factorization of 24 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. The next topic is index notation. Now dear student, what is the index mean? Index mean number of times a number is multiplied is called the index. Number of times a number is multiplied is called the index. It means that the number is multiplied the times is called the index. Now let's suppose we have an example. If we have given a number that is equals to 100, we know that 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 will give us the answer that is equals to 100. We know that 10 occurs 2 times, so we can write 10 power 2 or 10 raised to the power 2. It means that this 2 is called the index. This is the index notation. This index shows that 10 occurs 2 times. If we have a number that is 1000, it means that 10 is multiplied 3 times. So the index will be 3. Here the number of times is index. We have many other examples such as 25 is equals to 5 multiplied by 5. So 5 raised to the power 2, here 2 is called the index. Now dear student, come to the exercise 3.3. Our first question is write down the prime factorization of. Our first number is 6. So you can solve this question by tree method or by repeated division methods. It is up to your choice. Now I will use repeated division method. I know that 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6 and 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 3. So the prime factors of 6 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3. Now come to the question number 2. Find the prime factorization in index form of the following. Now I will use the index form. Now we have a number that is 144. We will use prime number to factorize it. We know that 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 14 and 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Again we will take 2 as a prime number or prime factor. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. The remaining one we will give this 2 and it will become 12. So 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. Again we will take 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2 and the remaining 1 is given to this 6. It will become 16. So we know that 2 multiplied by 8 is equals to 16. Again we know that 2 multiplied by 9 is equals to 18. Now the second number, prime number is 3 and we know that 3 multiplied by 3 is equals to 9 and 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 3. So the more factorization, prime factorization is not possible here. So all these prime numbers or prime factors are our answer. So we will write it as the prime factorization of or prime factors of 144 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. Now dear students, according to our question, we will show this factorization in index form. So here we can know that 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 occurs 4 times. So we can write it in index form 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 occurs 2 times. So we can write it 3 raised to the power 2. So this is our index form and this is our answer. Now exercise 3.3 page 33. Dear student, you can solve these two questions. Thank you all.